I'm just doing a quick update because of a couple of questions that I've been asked regarding Brassicas. What am I going to do when the Cabbage white arrives? Which is a good question, because we have not got the luxury of those oak tunnels anymore that did a really good job. We've also got another problem around here, which is pigeons. There is quite a few around, and as soon as they get wind of a few pots of brassicas on floor, they'll soon be down queuing up at the side of these buckets for a little bite. So because these are such small seedlings, we've got to offer them a bit of protection, and then as they get bigger, we'll reapproach it and do something else. One thing that I did find indoors is these are vegetable bags that you get from a supermarket. So I think it'd be a good idea if we took something like a cane. In this case, I've got some spare dibbers. We could take a cane, sink that into the soil, maybe put one either side, and then stretch that net over the top. And you can pull tie these so that they'll secure themselves around the bottom of that plant. And although it is a bit basic and definitely only a short burn thing as this plant grows, that at the moment is going to keep pigeons from pecking at that little plant. And it's very fine netting as well, so it'll also stop any cabbage whites getting in there, although I've not seen any at the moment, but that doesn't mean that they're not on the way. So as a temporary protection, especially from those pigeons, I'll put these nets over the tops of those containers that we did yesterday, and then at least I know nothing is going to be able to get to them seedlings while they put on a bit more size. And if that wind gets up again, what I'll do is I'll just tie a bit of string around these dibbers to secure that so it won't blow away, and we know at least they're safe for now. Simple but effective on a temporary basis only. And I believe you can buy these nets from any supermarket for just a few p, but it will save you losing your seedlings before they've even got started. And if you want something on a bigger scale, we have got videos showing you exactly how we built those really effective oak tunnels back at the old place. So you could start off with something like this and then move on to something like that. In our case, we're going to have to rethink the situation and come up with something else to protect these plants while they reach maturity. Because once them butterflies get on these plants, in no time at all, they're going to be covered in caterpillars and they'll not last 5 minutes. So just a quick update to answer that question. And also thank you so much to his latest donator. Very generous of you to make that donation, and you know we're going to put it straight back into this channel. Maybe it will help towards building a big netted framework to cover all those brassicas. We'll see how we go, and hopefully we will get to the stage where these plants grow big enough for us to be able to do that, and maybe get some decent cauliflowers by the end of this year. So thank you so much to Paul Bishop for your generosity, it's massively appreciated. So a quick update, it's raining here as you can probably tell, and it's going to rain all day long. So for today I'm off back in, but tomorrow we'll definitely be back out doing something else. And if you want to see what that is, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.